trying to make sure the window is clean. You gotta be sure they're clean, check. Alright. I can't wait till I get a better setup so I can have y'all at different angles, so I gotta keep moving the camera. Alright. Let's start off something like this. Alright. So we're gonna spray the inside. We're gonna spray the edges. Spray the top. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go in with it. And we're gonna peel off the plastic liner. The tint go on the inside. So if y'all been watching this whole time, y'all finna see the real magic. Alright, peel the plastic down. Probably wanna spray this again. I hit the like button. This how you do it the right way. Bam! I take that tint like that, and I'm like flowing with it. All right, first thing I want to do, I'm gonna go to the left first. Bam! That's where I'm going. I'm gonna do my crossover. They can't even stop me. Bam! I'm gonna go to this side. I'm gonna go to this side. Fit it in like that. Bam! Oh, you gotta step back on it off that motherfucker like this. Alright, I take my orange brush first. So we clean up there, so you know what I'm saying? We took our time cleaning, so I know it's super clean up there. And you're gonna flow roll it. You're gonna do something like that. Look at my gold triangle. It might be in my tab or not. Might have dropped it. Give me a second, check. We just lost the tube. Here go one. I got a gray one. I need to get another gold one anyway. Alright, so once you get it right there, you can hold the tint and like hit it with the triangle like that. Then hit this side with the triangle. You don't want to hit it too hard, and then you move the tint out of place. So once you get the edges locked in, you lift the windows up. So bam. So you just lift the windows up. It's dirty down here. You gotta spray the water down. Spray up here. Man, get a doorbell. Peel the plastic up. Spray under that. Alright, if your corner's acting funny, just spray some water up there. I'm taking my shank and my triangle tool. You got gold triangles, gray triangles. All of them got different thickness, and some of them slicker than other ones. I like the gold one and the blue one. The blue one called a blue frog. The gold one called Easy Reach Gold. But the gray one cool too. This off Amazon. I was just trying some shit, trying to see if it was the same thing. But you know what I'm saying? I know how to work that shit. Alright, hit it with the soap on this side. It's hot outside, more likely it's dry. Take my shank. By having that soapy water on there, that what makes it glide down. Alright. Hit it with some sprays because you want your two to glide on top of the surface. And I like to hit it with the corner. Alright, then come back on this side. Straight down with it. Run the finish the corner. Alright, so after you do that, you want to hit it with the water one more time. And this the step where you're gonna kind of push everything down. You know what I'm saying? Anything you might have missed. After you get a door bath, you wipe it down, dry it off.